Check this out. Got another plane to show you. Let's get it unwrapped. What could it be? Look at this. Eachine F22 Raptor. 4 channels too. Stabiliser. Very plain box, isn't it? 2 batteries. I like how you can buy it with extra batteries. This is something. Looks a little bit squashed. Maybe someone sat on it. Let's open it up. Hopefully it's still in one piece. Oh, sliding out for the first time. Comes with directions. Always handy. Eachine. There's our controller. Very noisy. There we go. Very popular controller. Nothing else inside. We've got a battery inside. Very nice. Let's see what's in our little goodie bag. Got a screwdriver. USB charger. Just plug it in, let it go. Charge up your little 1-cell battery. Easy as that. Oh, look. We've got one little problem. A little bit bowy. Put them over there, and we've got some little wheels here. Different size wheels. They're quite small, aren't they? Little nose wheel there. And some little tiny screws to hold the wheels in. Let's have a look. We've got a little bit of sticky tape here. And remember, just keep your packaging if you want to put it back in there. Keeps it all in one piece. Pack it in the car easy. Oh, look at this. That looks nice with the paint job. A bit of airbrushing or something on there they've done. Oh, looks like the real thing. These vertical stabilizers, rudders, are on quite an angle. A lot of angle, aren't they? And there's our motor in the rear on this one. Oh, and we've got like ailerons there. Maybe they both go. Maybe flaperons. Oh, they could be on different servos here. Yes. Got to bind it up and see how they work. And we've got this big cover, which looks like that's glued in. If you need access in there. Change the servo maybe one day. Pop that off. And hopefully we've got an extra battery in here tucked away, because we did buy 2 batteries. There we go. Just fits in there. Very nice. 400 milliamp. Very good. They're getting bigger, aren't they? Very good. Oh, look at this. Rubberized nose. Now that's something. That'll help, because they always get knocked off the noses, don't it? Bit hard to hang on to, I think, for the hand launching. nothing much to hang on to underneath. The radio just takes 4 AA batteries. Most people have, laying around somewhere. Make sure they're not empty. Fully charged, brand new batteries. Radio. I normally like to plug the plane in first. These type of planes. Sit that there, plug him in. Bit tight. We'll wear in. There. Turn the radio on. She's alive. Very slow travels there. There we go. So, expert mode. We've got no gyro. We'll have a look at our travels. Look at this. Hope you can see this. We've got, well, I don't know what, but that's got miles of travels, isn't it? Miles of travels. So they're independent. And there's our rear elevator. That looks alright. That doesn't look too bad. But those ailerons, they really kick up. This will spin. There we go. We'll switch it into beginner mode. And she's trying to correct it. I guess it should be alright. Got lots of travels, but I'm sure they would have set that in the factory. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Yeah, the tail's going up and down. It's trying to level itself. You can see that. Trying to level itself. These gyros do a fantastic thing, otherwise you wouldn't be able to fly these little birds, especially this jet. Little jets are so hard to fly. As I've learned in the past, trying to make them out of foam board. F22 out of foam board is a bit hairy to fly. Let's arm the motor. We're armed. Oh, that makes a nice noise, doesn't it? That's cool. That's going to be a nice sound in the sky. Very nice. So as you can see, ready to fly. Already pre-assembled, nothing to do. Charge your LiPo. Put your 4 AA's in. It's that easy. Turn it all on and you're ready to fly. Remember to hand toss it into the wind and hopefully you have a beautiful takeoff. Probably like 3/4 throttle. It should be right. Can't wait to fly. Let's head to the field and see how she flies. Check this out. This is the maiden flight of the Eachine F22. A little bit windy today, but we can't wait. Need to do the maiden. Let's get in the air. We're up. Now she's flying. Oh, it's quick. It's quick. Couple of trims pulled back. I'm flying a fair way away. It's a bit windy today. But we want to fly something, don't we? Getting tossed around a bit. Whoa, look at this! Oh, it's quick.
9 minutes.
This should cut through the breeze beautiful. I'm in full beginner mode because I wasn't too sure about this one in the wind. I'm 100% rates. I think it's flying nice. I'm comfortable with it. Of course I'm flying with my radio master. Makes it a lot easier. We've got some expo. Well, I'm happy with how this flies. Doesn't that look nice in the sky? Hopefully it looks good in the camera. That sky looks nasty. Probably can't hear the little motor in this wind. He's a little screamer.
8 minutes.
That's quick just on half throttle. Look at him go. Flying beautiful. Round we go again. Round the circles. That's good authority. I've tried to make this out of foam board and it was a handful to fly it. Probably had way too much travels because I didn't know what I was doing. It was a handful. And of course had no gyro. It was really hard to see which way it's pointing, whether it's upside down or not, with the little wings. This is flying nice in the wind. I'm happy with this. Go one fast into the wind. Look at that, that's not bad against the wind. Now the other way with the wind, we're off. Look at that. These are good little planes. Interesting to see how long we get flight time on this. The other ones we get in about 12-14 minutes.
6 minutes.
On the Mustang and Trojans. Gyro's working beautiful. He's off. Nothing wrong with it in the wind. Bounces around a little bit. Cuts through the wind good. Might be the best one yet in the wind. Look at him. Anywhere off, flat out. That's quick. Okay, we'll go around and we'll bring it in for landing. See how good it lands. Has got that rubber nose, which will help in some hard landing. Slowly bring back the throttle. Oh, perfect. Thanks for watching.